I was listening to something today I came across. It was actually GaryVee. I don't know if you guys know him, but he had a video here on TikTok, and he was basically saying, we have something very, very powerful in our hand and around us. It's called a cell phone, and it's called social media. And you need to take this opportunity right now to utilize these tools that we maybe scroll on every day. You can utilize these tools, Wi-Fi, cell phone, and a laptop to build a business online, a digital marketing business where there's no products, no shipping, no customer service. That's all you're doing is talking about something you're passionate about and earning a commission by promoting that other person's product. Guys, stop sitting on this. Get to work. Get on your phones. Start making videos. Stop wasting time. You deserve better.